I'm feeling much better today than what I have been all week, but as you can hear, my voice is still pretty rough sounding. So I do apologize for the way that I sound. I had an idea for the village, so I thought I'd come down and take steps to work toward that idea and share with you guys what my thought is. So last year, coming off the side of Rock Creek Mill House, I had a waterfall, and then it come down into this little pond. There was a piece that connected. We tore that off. I think my son ended up using the other piece of styrofoam to make his putting green. But my thought for this year is, again, have it come off the side of Mill Creek here. So come down. I'm even thinking maybe around the lighthouse, having a little bit of water coming down the side here, and then like a pond or lake right here. So I went ahead and shifted the train depot, the friendly used car lot, and last stop gas station over a little bit. Moved one of the houses as well. Right now I have a bunch of, like the warming house, the tree lot, and then some other little accessories just pooled together right here. They're not going to stay here. I'm going to take those and create like a little area, probably over in the suburb section. I've got some shifting around to do over there as well, and then still a lot of shifting around to do in the farm section. At this point, we're day 5 into October. My end goal is November 1st on the village build. So I have 26 more days, and I'm starting to think I'm not going to have enough time. I'm hopeful that I get some time to work on it this weekend and that I can make a lot of progress. But we have one of the kids' birthdays this weekend, so we're going to be celebrating that. And then, of course, I've got to make a cake and dinner. So hopefully, though, I can get some time, maybe Sunday. Maybe I'll spend my whole day Sunday working on the village, and everything else can wait. So that's kind of where I'm at. Not much progress, once again, and I'm starting to feel pretty bad about this one. I'm not where I want to be with the village build, but I appreciate you guys following along.